Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dishwashing brushes is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen. From tackling stuck-on food to gently cleaning delicate glassware, the right brush can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dishwashing brushes, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling clean dishes. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. This is the OXO Good Grip Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. It's designed to make dishwashing easier and more efficient. This handy tool is a must-have for any kitchen. With a simple push of a button, it dispenses soap directly onto your dishes. This feature helps to reduce soap waste and ensures you have the right amount of soap every time. The brush features durable nylon bristles that are tough on grease and grime. They are designed to last and provide effective cleaning power. The bristles are safe for non-stick cookware. It also includes a scraper on the backside of the brush. This scraper easily removes baked-on food, making it perfect for tackling tough messes. It's a convenient feature that saves time and effort. Refilling the brush is simple. Just pop off the bottom of the handle to add more soap. This design ensures that it's always ready for the next load of dishes. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this dish brush. It's a reliable tool for your everyday cleaning needs. What we like? This brush dispenses soap with a simple push, making dishwashing a breeze. Its durable bristles and built-in scraper tackle tough food residue. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to clean your dishes, this is the one for you. What people say? The bristles are firm, the handle is easy to hold and the dish liquid dispensing holds a lot. With the newer version, shown in the Amazon picture, the button and the soap is released with pressure. Pressing on the new thicker rubber fill cap button requires less effort and it lasts and lasts. No leaking working as advertised. Number 4. Scotch-Brite Odor Resist Dishwand Brush. This is the Scotch-Brite Odor Resist Soap Control Dishwand Brush. It's designed to make your dishwashing easier and more efficient. This handy tool will quickly become a kitchen essential. It features 2 different non-scratch bristle materials. This ensures long-lasting scrubbing power, perfect for tackling tough messes. It's safe for various surfaces, including dishes and non-stick cookware. The upgraded base allows the dishwand to stand upright. This design promotes cleaner storage and faster drying. It also helps reduce leaks, keeping your sink area tidy. This dishwand resists odor buildup and is easy to rinse clean. You can keep it fresh between uses. The design ensures it's always ready for the next round of dishes. The push button dispenses the right amount of soap. A leak-free valve keeps the soap contained. It also has a built-in scraper for stuck-on messes. You can sanitize this dishwand on the top rack of the dishwasher up to 20 times. It offers precise soap control with the push of a button, dispensing soap exactly where and when you need it. What we like? This dishwand stands upright for cleaner storage and faster drying. It resists odors and offers precise soap control. If you like a clean and organized kitchen with less mess, you should consider this. What people say? Finally, a solid brush that actually releases soap when you push the button. The brush is durable and has a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle even when dealing with tough, stuck-on food. One feature I particularly appreciate is the built-in soap dispenser. Just fill it up, and you can easily dispense soap while you scrub. Number 3. Amazer 2-Pack Dish Brush with Handle. This kitchen scrub brush features high-elasticity pet fiber bristles, designed to resist deformation. It's perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs on pots, pans, sinks, and bathroom fixtures. The brush includes a handy scraper edge, ideal for removing stubborn, stuck-on food and stains. This feature makes it a versatile tool for your kitchen cleaning needs. With its loop handle, this dish scrubber can be easily hung to dry and stay clean. The long handle also protects your hands from water and cleaning solutions. The brush's comfortable handle ensures a secure grip, even when wet. It's also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean and maintain. This dish scrub brush is designed for easy application of force, allowing for heavy-duty cleaning. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver. What we like. This brush features sturdy bristles and a handy scraper for removing stuck-on food. The comfortable grip ensures it won't slip in wet hands. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use brush for heavy-duty cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. The brush head is replaceable. The handle is comfortable to hold. The soap dispenser is easy to fill. Number 2. Dish brush set of 4, kitchen cleaning. This is a dish brush set of 4. It includes a dish brush with handle, a scrub brush, a bottle brush, and a straw brush. They are perfect for all your cleaning needs. This set is perfect for everyday dish cleaning. It helps keep your pots, pans, bowls, bottles, sinks, and other household items clean. You will find it very useful. The dish brush has an extra layer of bristles at the end. This allows you to get to every corner of your pots and make them squeaky clean. It is very effective. The scrub brush with handle features a built-in scraper. This makes it easy to scrub away stuck-on food. It is a very convenient feature. The bottle brush has a long neck to easily reach inside the bottle. It has moderately stiff bristles for gentle yet effective cleaning. This makes cleaning bottles a breeze. What we like. This set includes multiple brushes for various cleaning tasks, from dishes to bottles. The non-slip long handle keeps your hands dry. If you have a variety of cleaning needs and want a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. The brush head is replaceable. The handle is comfortable to hold. The brush is effective at removing food particles. Number 1. Scotch-Brite Pot Pan Brush. Introducing the Scotch-Brite Pot Pan Brush. This durable brush is designed for everyday cleaning and scrubbing. It's perfect for tackling tough messes. Built with sturdy plastic, this brush is made to last. It can handle mess after mess, providing reliable cleaning power for a long time. The bristles are treated with an agent that fights odor-causing bacteria. This ensures that it stays fresh and clean, even after multiple uses. This powerful brush takes care of tough messes on various surfaces. It works great on cookware, stainless steel, and outdoor furniture without scratching. Messes won't get stuck in the bristles, and it easily rinses clean. Even cheese and eggs won't stick to it, making cleanup a breeze. The long handle reaches deep to keep your hands out of the mess. A built-in scraper gives you the leverage you need to power through stuck-on messes. Trusted by generations, Scotch-Brite is known for innovation in cleaning tools. The brand is committed to quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. This brush is designed to be non-scratch and features antimicrobial protection. It is durable and long-lasting. If you like a brush that can handle tough messes without damaging your cookware, you should consider this. What people say. It's nice and broken and now with the edges slightly splayed, which I love, and I can get it inside every nook and cranny of every washable kitchen item I have that needs a deep cleaning. They're sturdy enough to get the job done without leaving scratches on most things. They're good, sturdy brushes and they work well to remove junk you need to get rid of, or just to help rinse dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.